I found this mala and felt instantly calm. I roll the beads and notice their smooth feel. I wrap it around my wrist for a subtle style boost. I hold it close and feel a gentle warmth. I wear it as my small reminder to breathe. I love this safe, washable kids makeup set. I've got a full 17-piece play kit for fun. I trust it's non-toxic and easy to wash off. I love how it sparks pretend play. I think this is the perfect gift worth it. I found a cushion that really fixes my back. It supports my tailbone and eases pressure. The memory foam molds gently to my shape. I love the breathable cover, so fresh daily. Try it, your back will seriously thank you.